Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Telegram not sending code. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. Here you need to open app management and click on app list and search for the Telegram. Click on that and you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to allow all permissions. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search for the Telegram, and you need to update Telegram application from here. So once you done that, you need to restart your smartphone and try again to get your code, and after that your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.